Hello from Traveling Kangaroo. We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting adventure. Today we journey to Canada, the Great White North, a land of breathtaking beauty and endless horizons. Canada is the second largest country globally, boasting a landmass that stretches across almost 10 million square kilometers. Its vast expanse is a testament to nature's grandeur. From the Atlantic Ocean's rocky shores to the Pacific's rugged coastline, Canada encompasses diverse landscapes. Each region offers a unique glimpse into the country's natural beauty. Towering mountains, sprawling forests, vast prairies, and shimmering glaciers all paint the Canadian canvas. These natural wonders are a haven for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Yet despite its immense size and natural wonders, Canada remains sparsely populated, with roughly 80% of its landmass remaining uninhabited. This vast emptiness is both intriguing and mysterious. This stark reality begs the question, why? What factors contribute to such a low population density in a country so rich in resources and beauty? The answer lies in a complex interplay of geographical factors, historical circumstances, and economic realities. Each element has played a crucial role in shaping the population distribution we see today. Join us as we delve into the reasons behind Canada's low population density, exploring the challenges and opportunities presented by this vast and untamed land. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of this majestic country and its untapped potential. At the heart of Canada's low population density lies a geological behemoth, the Canadian Shield. This ancient rock formation, composed primarily of igneous and metamorphic rock, covers nearly half of the country. The Canadian Shield is a land of extremes, characterized by its rugged terrain, thin soils, and countless lakes and rivers carved by ancient glaciers. While breathtaking in its beauty, the Canadian Shield poses significant challenges for human settlement. Its thin, acidic soils are ill-suited for large-scale agriculture. The bedrock foundation makes construction difficult and costly, and its remoteness limits access to essential goods and services. These factors have historically discouraged large-scale settlement on the Shield, contributing to Canada's low population density. Canada's nickname, the Great White North, hints at another defining factor shaping its settlement patterns: its climate. Canada stretches across 6 time zones, resulting in a wide range of climatic conditions. While the southern regions experience relatively mild temperatures and 4 distinct seasons, the northern territories are locked in a perpetual cycle of long, harsh winters and short, cool summers. These harsh winters, with temperatures plunging to -40 degrees Celsius or lower, pose significant challenges for human survival. The long periods of snow and ice cover hinder transportation, limit outdoor activities, and necessitate specialized infrastructure and building techniques. As a result, few people choose to brave the unforgiving conditions of Canada's northern reaches, leaving them sparsely populated and largely untouched by human hands. The combined impact of the Canadian Shield and the country's harsh northern climate has resulted in a striking population distribution pattern. The vast majority of Canadians, over 90%, live within a relatively narrow corridor along the country's southern border. This region, characterized by fertile plains, temperate climates, and proximity to the United States, offers the most hospitable conditions for human settlement and economic activity. Here, major cities like Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver thrive, fueled by industry, commerce, and a more hospitable environment. This southern concentration of population underscores the profound influence of geography and climate in shaping human settlement patterns, even in a developed nation like Canada. Echoes of the past, shaping the human landscape. The story of Canada's population distribution is not solely a product of geography and climate. It is also intertwined with its history. European colonization, beginning in the 16th century, played a significant role in shaping Canada's demographic landscape. Early European settlers, primarily French and British, established settlements along the Atlantic coast and gradually moved inland, seeking fertile land and resources. The fur trade, a driving force in early Canadian history, further shaped settlement patterns, pushing Europeans deeper into the continent along major rivers and waterways. This historical legacy of European colonization continues to influence Canada's population distribution today, with the descendants of these early settlers forming the majority of the population in the southern regions. the tyranny of distance logistics, and the Canadian challenge. Another significant factor contributing to Canada's low population density is the sheer vastness of the country and the logistical challenges it presents. The immense size of Canada means that many areas are isolated and difficult to access, making it challenging to establish and maintain infrastructure. Spanning 6 time zones and encompassing a diverse range of geographical features, Canada faces significant hurdles in connecting its sparsely populated regions. From the rugged mountains of British Columbia to the expansive prairies of Saskatchewan and the dense forests of Quebec, each region presents unique challenges. Building and maintaining infrastructure such as roads, railways, and communication networks across this vast and often unforgiving terrain is a costly and complex undertaking. The harsh weather conditions, including heavy snowfall and extreme cold, further complicate these efforts. The tyranny of distance in Canada impacts not only transportation, but also access to essential goods and services. Remote areas often rely on long-distance trucking and small aircraft to deliver supplies, which can be both time-consuming and expensive. Remote communities often face higher costs for basic necessities like food, fuel, and healthcare due to the logistical challenges of transporting goods and services over long distances. These higher costs can lead to economic hardships for residents and make it difficult to attract new settlers. These economic and logistical realities act as a deterrent to settlement in Canada's more remote regions, further contributing to the concentration of population in the south. As a result, the majority of Canadians live within a few hundred kilometers of the U.S. border, where infrastructure is more developed and accessible. Rich is untapped, balancing exploitation and preservation. While Canada's vast size and challenging geography pose significant obstacles to widespread settlement, they also hold the key to immense natural resources. Canada is blessed with abundant forests, mineral deposits, freshwater resources, and energy reserves. These untapped riches have the potential to fuel economic growth and attract investment, but they also raise important questions about environmental sustainability and the delicate balance between exploitation and preservation. As Canada grapples with the challenges of climate change and the growing global demand for resources, it faces the complex task of balancing economic development with environmental stewardship. Finding sustainable solutions for resource extraction and transportation will be crucial in determining the future of Canada's economy and the well-being of its people. A tapestry of beauty, nature's dominion. Despite the challenges posed by its geography, climate, and logistical realities, Canada remains a country of breathtaking beauty and natural wonders. Its vast and diverse landscapes offer a unique blend of rugged wilderness and serene beauty, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. From the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains, which stand tall and majestic, offering a playground for hikers, climbers, and skiers, to the vast boreal forests and pristine Arctic landscapes, where the untouched beauty of nature can be experienced in its purest form, Canada's untamed wilderness holds an undeniable allure. These remote areas, often difficult to access, offer a sense of solitude and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. This natural splendor attracts millions of visitors each year, eager to experience the country's unique wildlife, pristine lakes and rivers, and vast national parks. Whether it's hiking through dense forests, kayaking on crystal-clear lakes, or observing wildlife in their natural habitats, there's something for everyone. This natural bounty is not merely aesthetically pleasing, it also plays a vital role in regulating the global climate, providing essential ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration, water purification, and soil stabilization, and offering a refuge for biodiversity. The diverse ecosystems support a wide range of species, some of which are endangered and rely on these habitats for survival. Preserving this natural heritage for future generations is a responsibility that Canadians take seriously, with numerous conservation efforts and protected areas established to safeguard these precious landscapes, recognizing the intrinsic value of their untamed wilderness. The commitment to conservation ensures that the beauty and ecological importance of these areas will be maintained for generations to come. The allure and the limits of the Great White North. As we conclude our journey through the vast expanse of Canada, we are left with a deeper understanding of the factors that have shaped its unique population distribution. While the Canadian Shield, harsh climate, and logistical challenges have historically limited widespread settlement. They have also fostered a deep appreciation for the country's natural beauty and abundant resources. Canada's story is a testament to the enduring power of geography in shaping human destinies and a reminder of the delicate balance we must strike between exploitation and preservation in a world grappling with increasing resource demands and the urgent need for environmental sustainability. This is Traveling Kangaroo signing off from the Great White North.